Hi children, as I told before, okay, the what? In chapter 3, reproduction, okay, in animals, animals can reproduce by two ways, by laying eggs, by giving birth to young ones, okay, and by laying eggs, it lays its eggs, and by the water, the eggs hatches and the young one will come out, okay, from the eggs. And in birds I told, the bird lays eggs in the nest and sit on it for a week, okay, the female birds lays egg, sit on it, and due to that warmth the young one will come out, okay. Now see, if you take snakes, tortoises and crocodiles, where they will what? Lay eggs. They will dig pits in the soil. They will dig the soil, make a pit in it, okay, and lay their eggs, and they cover it with the soil, with the mud. What it will do? The snakes, tortoises and crocodiles, it will dig the soil, okay, and lay eggs in the pit. It makes a pit in the soil and lay eggs, and it cover it with the mud, okay. And and the eggs get warmth from the sunlight, okay. They get the warmth from the sunlight, okay, after some weeks, and it hatch into young ones, okay. And the young ones look like their parents. If it is a snake egg, okay, the snake baby will come. If it is a tortoise egg, small young tortoise will come out, okay. And they do not get any protection from their parents. Their parent won't come there, and they won't take care of their young ones, okay, here, like birds. In birds, what? The parent bird will take care of the birds. They feed them and they protect from the enemies, okay, until the baby bird, the young bird get its wings, okay, and learn to fly, okay. Here, the snakes, tortoises and crocodiles, they do not give any protection to the young ones. Understood, children? In this way, the snakes, tortoise and crocodiles will reproduce. Understood? Now, we are going to see about life cycle. What is life cycle of an organism? The stages of an organism. Organism is anything. It may be a frog, it may be a snake, it may be a bird, okay. It may be human. The stages of an organism from the embryo till it turns into an adult is called its life cycle. From the embryo till it turns into adult, the big one, is called its life cycle. Okay, understood? So what is life cycle? The stages of an organism from the embryo till it turns into an adult is called its life cycle. Understood? The number of stages in the life cycle differs for different organisms. See, in each and every organism, the life cycle will be different. Okay? It's not same for all organisms. Understood, children? Now, we are going to see the life cycle of a frog. Frog. What? Frog. Look here, this is a life cycle of a frog. From the egg, from the embryo up to adult, till it turns to an adult, it is called the life cycle. See, if you are going to a pond, or a lake, you will see tiny wiggling creatures that look like small fish in the pond. No? It is called baby frog. Baby frog. Okay. A female frog lays its eggs. That we know, a female frog will lays its eggs in a pond or a lake, in the water body. It may be a pond or a lake, okay. These are called spawn. What? Spawn. Look here. The female frog lays eggs, okay, in the water body, which are called spawn. Okay. The eggs hatch in 3 weeks. What happened? The eggs hatch in 3 weeks and tadpoles come out. Look, this is the tadpole. Okay. This is the tadpole. Okay, they hatch in 3 weeks. This is a tiny wiggling creature. It looks like a small fish. Okay. Okay. So they look like tiny fish with long tail and have gills for breathing. These tadpole have gills for breathing. Okay, and it has tail. Okay, long tail. They slowly develop hind legs and forelegs, but still have a stubby tail. Okay, they develop hind legs and forelegs. That means back leg and front legs have a stubby tail. Okay, the young frogs soon lose their tails and hop out of the water. From this, the young frog will grow and lose their tail and hop out of the water. Okay, from the tadpole it will grow into frog. Okay, the egg of the frog undergoes so many physical changes. Look here, many physical changes. That means changes in its body. Physical change means changes in its appearance. Okay, and grows into an adult and grows into a frog. Adult means it's a frog, big frog. This process is called metamorphosis. What? Metamorphosis. What it is called? So it is called metamorphosis. The egg of the frog undergoes many physical changes and grows into an adult. This process is called metamorphosis. And metamorphosis, what is it? Is a biological process. It's a biological process by which an animal physically develops, okay, after birth or hatching. So, what is metamorphosis? Metamorphosis is a biological process. What it is? It is a biological process by which an animal physically develops after birth or hatching. Okay, after what? What is the changes in its body? Okay, develops after birth or hatching. After birth, how it changes into an adult. This process is called, okay, metamorphosis. Okay. Okay, children, this is the what? Life cycle of a frog. Understood? So, insects also lay eggs. Like what? Insects also lay eggs which undergo metamorphosis to become adults. The babies of insects are not looked after by the parents. Even in insects also they won't take what? The parents won't take care of the what? Babies. Okay. The babies of the insects are not looked after the parents. The bird will take care of their young ones. Okay. Understood, children? Okay. So, the eggs of insects like dragonfly, cockroach and grasshopper hatch into young ones called nymphs. What it is called? Nymphs. Look here. The egg of a what it is? Grasshopper. No, it's a grasshopper. Grasshopper. Okay. The eggs of insects like dragonfly, cockroach and grasshopper hatch into young ones called nymphs. Okay. The nymphs resemble the adults except in their size and color. They shed their skin several times and grow into adults. Shedding of whole skin is called molting. What it is called? Molting. Okay. The life cycle of these insects has only 3 stages: egg, nymph and adult. This is called simple metamorphosis. What? Simple metamorphosis. Okay. Simple metamorphosis. This is the life cycle of an insect, whether it is a cockroach or a grasshopper or a dragonfly. First they will lay the eggs. After that the eggs hatch into young ones called nymphs. The nymphs resemble the adults except in their size and color. Okay. After shedding their skin several times, they grow into adults. The shedding their skin is called molting. Okay. So, this is called simple metamorphosis. What? Simple metamorphosis. What it is called? Simple metamorphosis. Only it has why? Because it has only 3 stages. Egg, nymph and what? Adult. Egg, nymph and adult. That's why it is called simple metamorphosis. So, what is metamorphosis? metamorphosis is a biological process by which an animal physically develops after birth or hatching. Okay, after birth or hatching. That is the metamorphosis. Okay, the life cycle of insects like butterfly, housefly and mosquito consists of 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa and adult. See, the life cycle of butterfly, housefly, mosquito consists of 4 stages, but dragonfly, cockroach, grasshopper consists of only 3 stages. How many? 3 stages. Okay, but butterfly, housefly, mosquito consists of 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa and adult. Okay, the larva and pupa look very different from the adult insect. So this is called complete metamorphosis. What it is called? Complete metamorphosis. So there are 2 types of metamorphosis: simple metamorphosis, complete metamorphosis. In simple 3 stages are there, in complete 4 stages are there. Simple means egg, nymph, adult. Complete means egg, larva, pupa, adult. And larva, pupa look very different from the adult insect. Okay, larva, pupa look very different from the adult insect. So butterfly, housefly, mosquito. Okay, these are all complete metamorphosis. Okay, the life cycle of these insects are complete metamorphosis. Dragonfly, cockroach, grasshopper. The life cycle of these insects are simple metamorphosis. Understood, children? You should keep all these things in your mind. Okay.